Good morning, Henry.
Good morning.
Good morning, Addison.
Good morning, my whole family.
Good morning, Brayden.
Good morning, Sawyer. Hi, yeah. Hi. Hi, Tutu.
Today, everyone has their own special word, and they are going to write their special word and then draw a picture of it. So go ahead, my friends, start drawing your word. Make sure you write what your word is.
I'm too loud.
Yep, let's have inside voices and say excuse me. What color do you need, Logan?
Pink.
Okay, I will grab you some pinks.
No, pink. Pink broccoli.
I see the sparkly one. Hold on, here.
The pink broccoli.
Yep, I grabbed a few of them. There you go.
Oh, pink broccoli.
Sorry for my recording skills today.
Now you make color. I can color a pink rainbow today. Twinkle on the back.
Try and stay on one side so I can hang them up in our classroom.
Hey, I can make a pink rainbow.
You gotta draw mud, remember? That was your word. Thank you. Brayden, are you drawing?
I get to draw the rainbow. No, me too. No, you don't.
Addison, are you drawing your word? Addison?
I know you want.
Here. I'm talking to you.
You have to draw it.
Okay. Henry, are you drawing your word? All right, let's see. Show me.
Okay. So how do we? I can make a rainbow. You're not
I love that.
Logan. Logan's making a rainbow. Yeah, give it a rainbow. I want to. Look at it. You got that one. And I'm gonna make.
Good job, Henry.
Give it.
Addison, did you write your word yet?
Oh, yeah.
Can you show me how you write rain? I like your rain cloud.
You.
That looks wonderful.
Hey, give me the pink.
Brayden, let me know when you're drawing your umbrella. Hey, you guys, can we say hi to Aubrey?
Hi, Aubrey.
Here, I'll come by so everybody can.
Hi, I can make a rainbow.
Okay.
I have to make a rainbow. But Logan's not listening and he's making a rainbow.
That's okay. We'll talk to him later. Look at
Stop it. Something's going on. Ooh. It's Kaya. Broccoli. Stop it, Daddy. This is my one. Because
What do you need help
you
with?
don't get to draw a rainbow. You get to draw mud. No. Look at your
Please
word.
don't argue, my friends.
I don't want a rainbow. But that's why you get one.
Silas, can you wave to your mom?
Hi. Totoro.
So just so everyone knows, Silas always says hi to Totoro because I have it as a pop socket on my phone. And Totoro is a mythical creature from a movie. That's why these guys love Totoro. Can you draw a puddle for me?
I make Totoro.
I
I make a rainbow. And it has an elephant nose.
Oh.
What is the elephant?
Addison, let me see you. Can you write rain for me?
Puddle. A rainbow, a rainbow. Puddle.
Write the word.
Elephant nose. I can't make a rainbow. Miss Kayla, can you please give me that word right there?
Give me 1 second and I will grab it.
A pink word. Thank you, Wayden.
Oh, what teamwork. Good job, friends.
Yeah, Miss Kayla.
Good job. You did, Addison. Good job. You're all done? You don't want to draw any more things on your paper?
No.
Deal. Good job.
You're not done,
Let's see Brayden's umbrella.
No, you're not. Yes. No, you're
I
not.
like your umbrella, Brayden.
No, you're not. The teacher says she can be done. Let her be done.
If Addison is done, that is just fine. It's her choice.
Daddy.
All right. Got some arguing friends today.
Now can we go play?
Silas, you're working so so hard to write the word sun. Thank you.
I know, I just had it down.
All right, Silas, can you say goodbye?
Goodbye, Tutu.
Adeline, say goodbye.
Bye.
Logan, say goodbye.
No, I'm not done.
Okay. Brayden, say goodbye.
Bye, Tutu. Bye, Tutu. Bye, Soyan.